Hello crochet friends and welcome back to Yarn Over Hook. My name is Sammy and in today's video we are doing my favorite yarn eating stitch, the bobble stitch. If you have seen me wearing a sweater with gray bobbles on the sleeve, that is this stitch, just a bit bigger. But I'm going to show you the basic bobble today, so let's hop into it. To begin our bobble stitch project, you want to do a foundation single crochet of an even number. If you are going to do a traditional chain, then you want to chain an even number plus 1, skip that first chain, do a single crochet into the second and all the way across, making sure that you end up with an even number of single crochet for your first row. Then turn. So we are going to chain 2 to begin our bobble stitch row. This does work backwards, so when we work our bobble stitch, we'll actually be seeing the back, but do not worry, I will turn it over so you can see what it should look like. For the bobble stitch, it is actually made up of double crocheting 5 together. Easy, right? We've done the cluster stitches before where we double crochet 2 together. You're just going to do 5 instead. For the first bobble of our row though, we're just going to do 4 together. So we'll yarn over. We're going to insert our hook into that same single crochet as our chain. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops only, and stop right there. We have to do this 3 more times. You're going to create half done double crochets and then we will link them all together. So let's do this again. Yarn over, insert your hook into that same stitch, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops only. We have 2 on here. Yarn over, insert your hook back into that same stitch, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through those first 2 loops only. Now we have 3. Yarn over, insert your hook into that same stitch, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over, pull through those first 2 loops only. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 half done double crochet and our chain. That puts 5 loops on our hook. So we're going to yarn over and pull through all 5 of those loops. That creates our first bobble for that row. In the next stitch, we're going to do a single crochet to close this all off. Insert your hook into that next stitch, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over, pull through both loops on your hook. Oh, look at it! I love this stitch. I love this stitch so much. It is so fun. It does eat a lot of yarn, so be prepared. But the end result, worth it. Let's do another one. So this one will be our official bobble. So we're going to double crochet 5 together. Yarn over, insert your hook into that next stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops only. That's 1. Yarn over, insert your hook back into that same stitch. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops only. Oh, there we go. That's 2. Yarn over, insert your hook back into that same stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through those first 2 loops only. We have 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, insert your hook back into that same stitch, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over, pull through those first 2 loops only. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we just have 1 more left. Yarn over, insert your hook back into that same stitch, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over, pull through those first 2 loops only. It's getting a little crowded on here, but we got it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We'll end up with 6 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through all 6 of those loops. And then single crochet into the next stitch to close that off. Look! Let's keep it going, let's keep it going. So let's do the same into the next stitch. You are just going to do those half done double crochets 5 times. All right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. With 6 loops on our hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll yarn over and pull through all 6. And then single crochet into the next stitch to close that off. Your project might curl in on itself a little bit. That is perfectly fine for that first row. The more you do, the more relaxed your project will become. So no need to worry about that. Let's keep going. For our next stitch, we're going to do another bobble. Yarn over, insert hook into the next stitch, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops only. Yarn over, insert your hook back into that same stitch. And we will do that 4 more times, now 3 more times. This is honestly so soothing, this repetitive motion. I think that might be why I like this stitch so much. And 1 more. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 loops on our hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 half done double crochet, yarn over, and pull through all 6 of those loops. And then do a single crochet to close that off. And our last bobble for this row into this next stitch here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 loops on our hook. We'll yarn over and pull through all 6 of those loops. And then we'll do a single crochet in our last single crochet to close that off. Look at how cute! You cannot tell me this is like not the cutest stitch in the whole wide world. Even if it's a yarn eater. All right, and then for the next row, we are just going to chain 1 and turn. For each of these V's, even the bobble V's are big and the single crochet V's are small. We are going to do a single crochet in every single one of them. You don't want to miss one or you'll end up with the wrong stitch count. So let's go ahead and single crochet all the way across. So we've done our chain 1 here, so we're going to go into that single crochet from the previous row. And then next into that bobble V, that single crochet V, bobble V, and keep going all the way across. You don't want to do these too tight. If you do them on a little bit on the looser side, it'll help with the tension of the bobble row. I want to be sure I'm going into the right stitch. There we go. There we go. So we have our row of single crochet here. This will keep our bobbles nice and aligned on the front side of our project. Then we'll chain 2 and turn. And then we're just going to repeat row 2, the bobble row. So we're going to put a double crochet 4 together for our first bobble. Yarn over, we're going to insert our hook into the same stitch that our chain is in and pull through. Yarn over, pull through. And we're going to do 4 of those half done double crochet. And then with 5 loops on our hook, we'll yarn over and pull through. And then a single crochet into that next stitch to close it off. And then in the next one, we'll do a double crochet 5 together, our official bobble stitch. That's 4 on there. And 1 more. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 loops on our hook. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 half done double crochet. We'll yarn over and pull through all 6 of those loops. And then single crochet under both loops. There we go. To close that off. And that's it. That is the bobble stitch. Way easier than it looks, right? I love this stitch so much. It is just so cute. Let me know what you end up making with this stitch. I want to know all the details. You'll just repeat rows 2 and 3 all the way up into your desired length. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and ding the bell so that you know when we upload a new video. And we'll catch you in the next one. Bye! So cute.